Mosquitoes kill more humans alive than almost any creature survives. So what if they vanished overnight, gone tomorrow, out of sight? At first it sounds like something great, less disease, less death, less pain. Malaria, dengue dropping fast, millions of lives saved at last. But nature's balance isn't that clean, everything connects unseen. Mosquitoes don't just spread disease, they're part of food chains silently. The larvae feed fish underwater, adults feed birds, frogs, spiders farther. Some species even pollinate, helping plants reproduce and create. And in wetlands, Arctic skies, mosquito swarms reach massive size. During seasons, animals survive, depending on them to stay alive. So if mosquitoes disappeared one day, some ecosystems could break away. Because even creatures humans hate still help keep nature in balance, Earth.